Hello friends, welcome to OST Empire YouTube channel. Let's settle down as we have our tutor for today. Take us through how to design an e-commerce website.
Hello, my name is Daniel, and in this video I will be showing you how to create a working and functional e-commerce website. In creating an e-commerce website, you must understand what it means to own an e-commerce website. An e-commerce website is just a simple website where you can have your products on sale on your website. That means you can have different categories of products directly on your website and you can start selling immediately. So somebody goes into your website, see a product they are interested in, they click on it, see details about the product, they buy. Automatically the admin gets funded with the payment made, and then you deliver to the client. That is how e-commerce websites run. Just like the way you buy on Jumia. You place order on Jumia, Jumia receives your payment, they send you your products. And other e-commerce websites like that, Jiji, Konga, and all of that. So in this video, I will be showing you how to have something like that. And as usual, you need three things. Number one, you need to have a working hosting and domain. You need to have a domain and hosting for it to get to where I am right now. And you must have installed WordPress on that domain. Yes. Then the second thing is we need to install a theme. A theme you can install different kind of theme based on what you want to build. But for me, I will be making use of Astra theme, and I will also be making use of an Astra template to make it faster. That is the second step. And then the last step is the plugins necessary to have this kind of website. And the best plugin to do that is number one, WooCommerce plugin. It is this plugin that helps you in the buying and selling of products on the website. Without that plugin, you won't be able to purchase any product, or in fact see any product available for sale. And then secondly, you need a payment gateway plugin. So oftentimes we make use of Paystack, we also make use of Flutterwave. If it's for international clients, you can make use of PayPal, you can make use of Cash App, you can also make use of Stripe. But I will be using Paystack in today's tutorial in this video. Okay, so let's install a theme first. You head over to Appearance, you head over to Themes. So like I said, we will be making use of the Astra theme. So you just have to click on Add New Theme, and then we search for Astra. Of course, Astra. So here is it. I'm just going to tap on the install button. It's going to take some few minutes, and then I'm going to click on Activate immediately. So I won't be installing a template yet. I will just proceed to go and install this plugin I said we'll be needing to design this kind of website. So I'm just going to head over to plugin and go to Add New Plugin. So once you are here, like I said, you need a WooCommerce plugin. So just need to search for WooCommerce in this box here, and here is the plugin. As you can see, this WooCommerce. And one thing about this WooCommerce is that once you install this plugin, this particular plugin actually comes with different pages of its own. And number one, it comes with a shop page. Number two, it comes with a cart page. That means so users can have, they can see all the products they have selected. Some people call it wish list. That's just where you can see all the products you have selected. It also comes with the checkout page, and on that page is where you make payment, the payment for your product to be calculated, and then you make payment for that particular product. We also have it. This plugin also comes with a page called account page. That account page is where you know that, okay, this particular user has always been coming to our website to buy products. So they can easily go to their account page, and then they will see the total number of orders that they have made on your website, that to that particular user. And also when the users get to your website and want to purchase the product, they would need to register. It is still the same plugin that creates the login page, the register page, for them to be able to do all these transactions easily. You can see it is the all-in-one plugin. So I will just proceed to click on Install now. Be careful, this is the only WooCommerce plugin you need. There are several others, but this is the one you should install. Then I'm going to click on Activate. So this is active already. So there's still one more plugin, which is the online payment gateway, which I said you are going to be making use of to collect payment from clients. So as a Nigerian, I will be making use of Paystack. Then I will head over to this place again and just search for the Paystack plugin, and particularly the one that would work with WooCommerce. So you can see there are different kind of plugins here, but the particular one we need is this one, Paystack WooCommerce Payment Gateway. This is the plugin that would help us, in receiving payments as a Nigerian. So if you are watching this video outside Nigeria, you can make use of other payment platforms like Flutterwave. You can make use of Stripe. You can also make use of PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, and all other platforms support WooCommerce. So I'm just going to install the Paystack plugin right about now, and I'm also going to activate it immediately. So I will tap on activate. So right now our plugins are installed, and you can see I am just going to refresh my dashboard there, and I would see the plugins. Okay, so here is now our WooCommerce plugin. As you can see, this is the WooCommerce plugin itself. This is the products. This is where you can add products, you can see, and this is payment, just to track the payments. Then we have orders. This is where you see where people have made orders, if they have completed the orders or they cancelled it. That is that. But before that, we are going to proceed to install a template, an e-commerce template. So I am just going to, if I just click on this now, if I just click on this, my website link, I am going to see that there is nothing actually on this website, just a normal e-commerce, just a normal WordPress website. The first time you install WordPress, this is what you have. So you can see I said when we install the WooCommerce plugin, it comes with different kind of pages, and these are the pages. You can see it came with the cart page, it came with the checkout page, it came with the my account page, and it came with the shop page. So I would be installing a template now. I'll be installing a template so that we can just instead of building it from scratch, I will just install the template. So let me just go back to my appearance, themes. I see my Astra themes. This is Astra. Then the dashboard. I'm just going to proceed to dashboard there, so I will be able to install my template from here. Don't forget, you must have a theme already before you can make use of the template. So I'm just going to head over to starter templates. So I'm just going to click on install and activate. This is going to install the starter templates plugin for me, and I'm seeing this because I am using Astra. Okay, so this is going to load now, and then it's going to load out different kinds of templates, which I am going to select the particular one I am looking for. So you can see, just start on build with templates. Tap on your page builder. I'll be making use of Elementor in this video. So you can see it is bringing different kinds of templates already. So I will just tap on e-commerce, and I'll just tap on online shop. So this is actually what I'm targeting, just an e-commerce website. So I would be choosing this particular one. I think there is one I like here. Yeah, this plant shop. I will just tap on it. I'll just tap on this, and you can see I can decide to change the color of the website from here. So I can decide to change the color. You can see this is the green color, the shop now. You can see. So I can decide to change the color to something more beautiful. I can use this. I can use this pink. You can see everything is changed to pink already. Just random stuff. I'm just going to click on continue, then just fill this randomly. I am an intermediate. I'm building this for my clients. So I'm just going to click on submit and build my website. So this template is going to start, importing directly on my website. So it can take a few minutes depending on how fast your network or your server is. Yeah, so as you can see now, this template has been successfully installed, and I will just proceed back to visit dashboard. So I'm going back to my dashboard now, and I will also refresh my website, and then let me see what I have. So you can see now that I have a very beautiful template coming straight into my website. So you can see that, and you can see these products. You can see all of them, and this is the home page. You can see this is the product page. I can just select that. You can see all of this. So this is just samples. You can tell it's just samples. It's just samples actually. This is just a template. So just for us to have something to build upon. So I'm just going to go back to my dashboard, and I have few things to show us. That's number one. I will be showing us how to add the products. You can see all these products appearing right here on this website. Is somewhere added from the backend, added from the admin dashboard, and that is why it is being displayed here. So once I tap on any of these products, I would have to make payments and buy it immediately. So I'm just going to go back to my dashboard, and you can see products under WooCommerce, and you can see all products. See all products. So from here, I will see all the products I have uploaded on this website. But since this is a template, some products came with this template automatically. I will just proceed to delete all of these products, and then we will add our own by ourselves. I mean. Let me just mark all, then I'm going to move all to trash. I'm going to delete that immediately. So it's been deleted. Yes, so all the products are deleted now. Now let's go back to our website and then let's refresh. Then you will see no more products will be appearing anymore. So you can see now, you see there is no products for us to buy, because before I deleted the product, there were products appearing here and products appearing here. Because I deleted it, there is no more product. So for me to add a product to test run what we just did, and how to add a product to your website, and the way you guys can buy, they can pay and buy your services, buy your product, we need to do two things. Number one, run the settings of the WooCommerce plugin itself, and then number two, we add a product. So let's quickly run through the settings of the WooCommerce settings itself. So just come to WooCommerce and tap on it. We just have a few settings to run here before we can now proceed to run, to start adding products. So you can see, welcome to Woo, set up my store. So I'm just going to click on set up my store. You can see this place, you have to also fill it randomly. So I'm just going to click continue, then the name of your blog, and just say online store. Then the industry, just say clothing and accessories, Nigeria, Lagos, the email, then just click on continue from here. So you can decide to install all these or not, but this is the tutorial. I won't be installing them. So I'm just going to click on continue. So now we are done with everything we need to do regarding the settings. So what we need to do now is just to come back to settings here under WooCommerce. Particularly under WooCommerce, we come to settings, just tap on settings. Now you have general, and this is where you just fill information about your brand. Just fill information about your brand, and then you just put your address in full. You can just put your address here. Let me just put this random address. And you can see sell to all countries, and if you have only particular countries you want to sell to, you can click on sell to specific country, and then you see the country here. But I will be selling to all countries, ship to all countries also. You can also disable shipping and shipping calculations. Yeah, that is that. And you can also enable it, ship to all countries. So that is depending on the kind of product you want to sell. So you can see all these, for your country, you need to go for your country currency. But I will be leaving it at Nigeria. Then I would save my changes here. So that is not the only part for the general. Then we proceed to products. Product is another part. We have to set all of this. So automatically the shop page would come by itself, and then this how to cart behavior redirect to the cart page after successful addition. Probably you want the users to, once they shop for anything on your website, you want it to be adding automatically in a section, so that when they are ready to pay for everything, they now click on it. Or if you want them to just pay immediately, they click on that product. Or you want them to combine their products. If you want them to combine their products, you go for this first option. But if you want them to just pay for just particular one, when they click on it, you go for this one. So I'm just going to choose this first one actually. Then all these other ones you can just do with it. Just decide if you are going for that or not. So I'm also going to click save changes. Now we head on to payments. The beauty of a WooCommerce website and an e-commerce website, is the fact that you are being able to receive your payments directly on this website. People order, and then you get your payments immediately. So we have to go to payments. You have to go to payments, and you can see you can take bank transfer to your manual, or your local account number. You also can take cash on delivery. You can turn it on, and you can also take Paystack, let them pay to their debit and credit cards. So I'm just going to quickly run the settings of Paystack. So I'm just going to quickly run the settings. To connect Paystack to your website, you just need to follow this process. You must have first registered with Paystack, paystack.com. You go to the website, you register your business, and then they will give you two keys. They will give you two keys, and that key is the, you need to disable this first. Then you have the live secret key to be inputted here, and then you also have the live public key to be inputted here. So you have the live public key and the secret key. These are the two keys you are going to get from Paystack. But make sure you have to click on enable Paystack, and then this payment option you click on pop up, and then you input your public key. But I think my live public key is here, but the live secret key is not here. But let me just, random stuffs. Yeah, let me just put this there, and then you have to turn on auto complete order, and then you also enable payment via saved cards. So I'm just going to click on save. Don't forget, you need these two details from Paystack: the live secret key and live secret key. How do you get it? Register on paystack.com, register your business, and then you would get these two keys. So I'm just going to click on save changes now, and my Paystack payment option is now ready. So I'm going to tap on account and privacy, and this is where some logic of the e-commerce website actually is. So you have number one option: allow customers to place orders without an account, which is a very wrong way to market. That is actually a very, very wrong way. Users must be able to log into your website to register, and then, but for you to be able to track and trace their order, you must allow them to create an account. So I'm just going to untick this and click this: allow customers to log into their existing accounts. So if a user has created an account before, they don't need to create a new account for them to be able to buy from you. Let them just log into the details they have used to register on your website before. Allow customers to create account during checkout. Yes, if somebody has not created an account and they are about to buy products, you can also enable this. Allow customers to create account on the account page. Very necessary also. When creating an account, automatically generate an account username. That is not necessary, and this is also not necessary. It's something you just have to read through and understand. Then I'm just going to click on save changes. And then finally, we have emails. By default, any order made on your website is being sent to the default email of the WordPress admin settings. The WordPress general settings. Any email in your settings here is the email WooCommerce is going to pick. So every order made on your website, this is the email is going to go to. If you don't want it, you click on manage, and then you change the email. You click on manage and you change the email. So you can see this is the color the email is going to come with. You can decide to have your own color. You can change your own color and have your own color. So that is that on this. And now you don't need this too. Just leave this too. But you can also still come to advanced to check if the settings of the pages are right. So once you are here, just need to confirm that your cart page is having the correct page, which is the cart. But also ensure your checkout page is having the correct page, which is checkout, and your account page is also having the correct page, which is my account. If at any point you can't find these three pages, then there is an issue with the WooCommerce plugin that you installed. But that is a rare occasion. So now let's proceed to add the products to our e-commerce website. Let us see how Jumia uploads their product, how Jiji uploads their product for sale. And here is how it is. So just come down again. You come to WooCommerce, and then you come to products, and then you come to add new. So when you come to add new, we have a big section like this. So number one thing is your product needs to have a name. Your product needs to have a name. So let us say you are trying to upload a product. You shall say iPhone. So you put it track stock quantity for this product. Then you put the 10 here. Put the 10 here. Now see, this is it. Limit purchase to 1 item per order. So if you want anybody who comes to your website to only be able to buy one, you click this. But if they can buy 3 at once, you leave it like this. So that is that. Then you have to categories of the products. You can see you want to create a category. You are uploading iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yeah. You want to upload an image here. want to upload an image to your products, you want to upload an image, just come and tap on set product image, and then you can upload from your system, or you just pick from your library, and then you click on set product image here. You can see now that the image is now here, and then the category is also here. And if you want to add more categories, you click on add new category, and then you input the categories you want, and also click on add new category. You can see, but I'm just going to be going with the gadget category. See, this is where you just set the total amount of gadgets that you have. You can see you can increase it. This is where you set it. So if you have only 10 available, you just will not be able to place order once it is more than 10. Then at this general, this is where you put the price of the product. This is where you put the information about the product, and then we publish the product. So you can see automatically it has been updated. So if we go back to our website and refresh, of course, we might not find it here. It will not appear here. It will not appear here because there is some few settings we can do that will make it appear right here. So, but before we can see that, we need to visit our shop page. So automatically, we should have our shop page as our domain name /shop. So this will actually lead me to my shop page of my website, and you can see. So as you can see, I refreshed the shop page now, and you can see the product is now there, and you can see the name of the product, iPhone 14 Pro Max. I think there's a typographical error here. This is iPhone 14 Pro Max, and then you can see 450,000 naira. So you can see here it is. So let us try and click on it, and then we want to try and purchase this particular product. So let's say I want to buy one, or I want to buy two. The price of one is just 450,000, and you can see availability 10 in stock. So I'm just going to click on I want to buy two, so that should be 900,000. Let me just tap on add to cart. So you can see automatically it calculates the price, calculates it to 900,000 naira. I'm just going to click on proceed to checkout, and you can see I just have to fill all these details. My name, you can see that it states, it's going to ask me for the state, and then you can see I'm going to click on place order. So after clicking on this place order, it's actually going to take me to where I am going to be making payment for this product. It's going to take me to where I'm going to be making payment. And this is just a demo website. The paystack live key and secret key are inputted are not correct. They are not correct. So you can see this is what I have now. You can see my transfer. You can see I want to make a transfer now or pay with card. I need to input my card number, my card details, my CVV, and pay 900,000 naira. I can also pay through my bank. I can pay through USSD. I can pay through Pay Attitude. I can also pay through OPay. I can pay through my scan, my barcode and everything. So that is how to create an e-commerce website. So cutting this, if I go back now, I can cancel the order. See, I've canceled the order, and right there also I can I can buy these products all over again. So if you want to continue to add products like this, let's say, when I visited the shop and I only had one product. If you want to upload more products, you just need to always come to all products and click on add new. You can click on add new. Don't forget, I mentioned to you here, you fill the title of the product. Here you give a short information about the product, and here you give a price. Okay. So, and this that, let me also show us one thing. Let me go back to the shop page. Let me just visit the shop page once again. So like I said, if you're adding more products, you just need to continue to click on add new here, and everything will show here. But before that, I want to show the secret. As you can see, this is showing 450,000 here, and this is still the product. You can just come to sales price, and let's put 400,000. Then let me click on update again. Let me click on update. I think it's almost, yeah, it's updated, and let me refresh. So now you will see now that there is a 450,000 naira here that is being cancelled, and then 400,000 naira is now the price you will pay. The secret is that if you want to make use of this, you must have put a price here at first, a regular price, but this is the price you want to sell it. So that is how you click on, that's how you run this stuff, and you continue adding more products, add new till you are sure you are no more adding products. So in case you have added product and you want to see the products you have added, all the products you've added, you just come to products and then you come to all products here. So you can see now we now have this particular one. So let's say in a scenario where you want to quickly change the price of this, rather than clicking on the edit and then you're having a full view, you can just tap on quick edit. So this quick edit, you can rename it. So this is the pages now, and this is the home page. So I'm just going to right click and click on open link in a new tab and edit with Elementor. I told you earlier I'll be using the Elementor page builder. Yeah, so you can see this is our website, and I will just be creating a section. I know automatically you should know this already. You can edit anything here. You can just say buy your gadgets with comfort. So you can see I can also edit anything I want here, you know. So you can see that I can edit the button and, you know, just replace the link. Just replace the link also. That can take me to my shop page. And you can see also so that is how easy it is to just edit the front page. And, you know, when users wants to visit your page, they just have to go to the shop page. You can add the shop page to the menus here. So once they tap on it, they will be able to reach the shop page. So that is how to easily create an e-commerce website just by following the medium which I have explained to you. Thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next video.